In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Xero to manage your invoices efficiently. Whether you're looking to track your sales invoices or keep tabs on the bills you need to pay, this step-by-step guide will help you locate and review all the necessary information swiftly. To start, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Once you've entered your credentials and accessed your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you can get a quick snapshot of your financial activities, including any invoices or bills that might need immediate attention. Now, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Depending on your screen, you might find this either at the top or on the side of the page. Look for the section labeled Business. This is your gateway to managing the core transactional aspects of your operations. Hover over Business and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. For this tutorial, focus specifically on the Invoices option if you want to review the sales invoices you've sent out to your customers. If your goal is instead to check out the invoices sent to you by suppliers, select Bills to Pay. Both options will direct you to a comprehensive list of relevant invoices. Now that you have accessed the list, you might find there are quite a few entries, especially if you run a bustling business. To make your search easier and more precise, use the search and filter tools provided. You can easily locate a specific invoice by entering details such as the date it was issued, the amount, or even filtering by the contact name involved. If you need to narrow down your results further, look at the status options. This will allow you to sort by whether the invoice is paid, awaiting payment, or overdue. Once you have pinpointed the invoice you're interested in, click directly on its number. This action will open up a detailed view of the invoice, a feature that provides an in-depth look at all the particulars. Here, you can verify the invoice details, including the line items, applicable taxes, and its total amount. Moreover, this section also allows you to track the complete payment history, which is particularly useful for maintaining an accurate record and for future reference. Remember, being well-versed in managing your invoices in Xero not only streamlines your financial processes, but also enhances your ability to stay organized. With a little practice, these steps will become second nature, helping you manage your business finances with ease and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.